is Devani, the daughter of Lord Indra, and his second wife is Valli, daughter of Nambirajan, a tribal chieftain. They were siblings in their previous birth and both had undertaken several penances to become the consort of Muruga, who appeared before them and gave them the boon of marriage in the next birth. We begin by presenting Valli's story. Valli was adopted by Nambirajan, a tribal chieftain, and she lived in the mountains. She grew up as a Muruga devotee. Lord Muruga comes as a hunter to woo Valli when she guards the fields. He then approaches her in the disguise of an old man and tries to win over her. Finally, with the help of his brother, Lord Ganesha, he marries her after revealing his true identity. The second segment is Kudai Kuthu, a traditional dance form from the Tamil epic Silappadigaram. Lord Muruga vanquishes the demon Surapadman and his Avana clan and brings peace to the celestial beings and the universe. Lord Indra is grateful to him and offers Devane in marriage. Lord Muruga performs a victory dance with his ceremonial umbrella, which is a royal insignia of Tamil kings, performed by Nitya Mohan, Deepa Magesh, Sujata Shivashankaran, Priya Ramesh, and myself Shabna Babu. Audio courtesy Kala Sadhana and Sri Nati Niketan, choreography by Shabna Babu, and props arrangement by Priya Ramesh. Thank you.
விதியது விதியது வலியது வலியது
குடை விரி தொரு குமர வேளாட அவுணர் படை தெரு தொரு கரவையாய் ஓட குடை விரி தொரு குமர வேளாட அவுணர் படை தெரு தொரு கரவையாய் ஓட தேவர் குலதளை அறுக்க செருக்களமாடிய மாறல் அறுக்கர்கள் ஏவிய ஆயுதம் அனைத்தோ குடை தடுத்தாட கோமக நாடினார் ஆடினார் ஆடினார்
Ding,